So you've got an Etsy shop. How do you drive traffic there? This is sort of a problem that many people have. And in this video, I'm going to give you some concrete ideas about how you can use different social media tactics to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. The goal of today's video is to share how you can drive traffic to your Etsy shop through social media. We'll look at how to create a professional profile, build your following, make your content more appealing, and how to always remember to link your Etsy shop to all of your social media feeds. Are you utilizing your social media marketing to drive more traffic and sales to your Etsy shop? If you're not, you're missing out on a ton of possible customers. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are well-established marketing tools. So let's look at how you can use these social media sites to get more customers and ultimately more sales. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have a professional profile for your business. So this means most likely you're creating business pages on Facebook and Instagram. You're not linking to your personal profile. It makes it easier to manage the pages, keep sort of your life separate from your business, and there are different business tools available to professional accounts. So there's 4 easy steps you can use to create a business profile on Facebook. You'll head on over to business.facebook.com, click create account, and then you just enter the name of your business and your work email address. There's a few sort of business details questions that they'll ask, and then you click submit and you have a Facebook business page. One great way that you can use your new Facebook business page to build your following is by focusing on what's called psychographics. These are common likes and interests of your target audience. So if you're selling wedding planners, for example, you could target the people who are following wedding publications. So maybe all the people that are following The Knot, those are your target audience. So you can piggyback on the audience of The Knot, since you know that those people are already planning weddings or interested in weddings, and most likely will eventually be wanting to purchase a wedding planner. One person who does a great job of this is Jessica Mullen, jessicamullen.com. She is a digital creator. She makes lifestyle printables like daily planners, and she promotes her products while focusing on positive thinking, creativity, and mindfulness. She has a social media account on Twitter with over 27,000 tweets, and she's got over 3,000 followers. Of course, you need to create content that appeals to your target audience. So your business account really needs to highlight your expertise. If you're selling personalized printables, that means sort of encouraging your current followers to share photos of themselves using your products. So new people can see like, oh man, this whatever it is, planner has really helped all these people become more organized. I need that planner too. So Elegance and Enchantment is a good example of this. This creator sells a variety of printable products, and she also shares her printable products across lots of different social media platforms. So here is a post that she did recently, encouraging her followers to engage by offering a free printable scheduler. Of course, you have to always link to your shop in your social media profiles. It doesn't do you any good if you drum up a huge following on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, and then you've got all these people that have no way to actually purchase your products. So every social media site offers the option of entering a URL. Take advantage of it. You can enter your Etsy shop URL on your Facebook posts. You can include your Etsy shop URL in your Instagram and Pinterest bios. Make sure that it's up there so that all the people that are engaging with your posts can actually go along and purchase your product too. My final example here is Sammy Travis Creative. So she's got her own website, sammytravis.com. She's a digital creator that offers printable items on Etsy, Pinterest, and Instagram Canva templates, Pinterest pins. Those are the types of things that she sells. On her social media profiles, she of course has included links to her website and her Etsy shop. She has her own website, so people can purchase products either there or on Etsy. And by spending the time to sort of link those things together, she is getting maximum exposure for her products. If you need more tips on how to quickly and easily get started selling on Etsy and drive traffic to your store, definitely consider my Easy Implementation Etsy Success product. It is a video training, so there's tons of things that you will see me show you exactly how to do in all my over-the-shoulder videos. I have startup checklists, a quick start guide. It's got everything you need to open a successful Etsy shop. Perfect for people who want to create ready-to-sell products in 5 minutes or less, people who want to learn the A to Z system for selling on Etsy, and more. So check out on my website, amyharrop.com, Easy Implementation Etsy Success.